Hey, lower to the ground. You were too quick on the trigger. I just got it rolling. Hey, lower to the ground, man. You lit up every bar in this bad Cat 980 around Brooklyn, New York that I had to start this gate. Lower to the ground. Come on.
I got just a mile down, low to the ground, sky hog out. Hello, sky. Hey, sky hog, long time, no moving down, though.
Hey, lower to the ground. Worldwide. Hey, lower to the ground. I got that video game roll. Yo, 50 New York. I'm down.
Hey man, hope everything was well as well. Hope you had a lot of fun on that camera here. Hey, Worldwide Sky Hawk, we having a Great Lakes Cookout July 19th. I hope to see your face in the place. Worldwide Sky Hawk, big trees, low to the ground. Great Lakes right back, come on. Yeah, Roger, I'll keep it in mind, man.
Hey, lower to the ground, he said Roger right on. Hey, lower to the ground, he said Roger right on. Hey, lower to the ground, he said Roger right on. Your pistol, 50 New York, I'm down.
Take care, my friend, low to the ground one more time again. It feels good to be back up here in the Big Apple. Low to the ground, Skyhawk. I work in this all-glass modulation station. Low to the ground, Skyhawk on this world-famous JB12 and this Joe Gun with this Cobra 2000 got down. Smoking sound good as always. Hey, Skyhawk, sound good as always. Hammer down, good sound. Hey, Skyhawk, if you can't make it, pass it on. Maybe somebody can. Worldwide Skyhawk, big trees, 125. So you sounding good, looking good. This low to the ground sound is 125. Big train, Bill 5, get down.
Hey, 125, he don't sound half as good as you in this Brooklyn, New York video game. Hey, 125, he don't sound half as good as you in this Brooklyn, New York video game. Your pistol bang.
He cut that old video game off because I kind of messed it up. So maybe if I stand by, he can start a new one. Take care, low to the ground. Skyhawk in the Big Apple on my number 2 station is out. Hey, Skyhawk, I hope you like me, man. I've lost tomorrow, win, lose, or draw. It ain't about that. It's about your friends. It's about your comrades on the other end. Hey, look, hey, Skyhawk. I'll give my head credit to the white meat. It's just radio. Mother Nature, she give it to who she want to. Hey, Skyhawk, so I hope we got the video game running, because it ain't about me, it ain't about him, it's about us. It's about us having fun. Uncle Billy, I'm the Skyhawk, low to the ground, get down. Skulls Uncle Billy break.
Hey, tell him again it's about the comrade on the other end. I ain't restarting no video game, the same one as rolling. I ain't restarting no video game. I'm going to put it up on the Pistol channel, your 50 in the Apple. The lowest time max in the stock mic is gone.
Skyhawk, me in this station, I'm still paying attention. That's T-Bird. Hey, Skyhawk, that was T-Bird. I heard you talking to my friend at 125, man. I want to ask that Captain if we have any roasted marshmallows, man. I asked that Captain if we have any roasted marshmallows at 410. Tell Roger T-Bird.
Hey, T-Bird, I got some roasted marshmallows, man. Hey, T-Bird, I'm roasting these marshmallows in this New York video game. You're 50, no doubt about it. Me and the stock Mike back Cat 980, rock it on.
I have any roasted marshmallows way back. See, he like to get sad, so we gonna be around. Hey, Skyhawk, I know my friend is a real sassy cat, nigga, so I'm gonna go on and stop him now. And the Big Apple T-Bird and the Great Lakes is quiet. Put him to the ground, get down.
Hey, T-Bird, he didn't want you to jump traps, man. He wanted you to stay on course, T-Bird. You're 50 New York City. Oh, 50 with this pistol bang gate rolling. I'm back out.
Enjoy this Memorial Day weekend. Well, enjoy the Memorial Day because I think it's after 12 o'clock. Oh, yes, it is. At least it is over here. It's just about...
Hey, if I was the one doing his radio 125, he would sound as good as you.
I'm roasting him like a marshmallow. Hey, Worldwide home, low to the ground, get down.
I got marshmallows. I'm serving them down. I'm clear.
I give him a tell. It was funny when you got off the key. I expected him to jump up even more, but he went down. But he had that mug
you said, T-Bird, because I got your radio right here. Hey, T-Bird, I'm going to put you on JD's Watergates. I'm going to put this video game on JD's Watergates. Yo, 50, 50, 50, 50 in the Apple. It's the lowest Timex. Cut down.
Now, see, I'm running around 300 and change, so I'm just wondering, and I'm staying about 6'2". Take care, T-Bird. Old Skyhawk around this stack of bricks working this world-famous JB12. The best thing I ever bought on eBay is that quiet. Skyhawk, you know how I was saying I didn't keep I'm 6 feet on it. To pick his big butt up. I'll pick him up.
What you want to pick his butt for? What you want to pick his butt for? You're worldwide, 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 worldwide. 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, New York City, Brooklyn, New York, I'm gone.
Y'all there want to wave their hand. Y'all have a super fun one once again. Skyhawk, Brooklyn, New York. I'm working my number 2 station.
50, Brooklyn, New York, clear.
The JB12, the best thing I ever bought on eBay is that quiet.
Why you're easing off, man. Don't let him know why you're easing off. You're 50, 50, 50, 50, New York, back out.
Take care, low to the ground. Take care, T-Bird. Y'all have a super fine one. On Skyhawk, big trees, back quiet. Hey, Skyhawk, you're exactly right. When you fight me, you have a key on the key. When you get on the key, tell me so damn loud. I can hear when you get on the key. I know that Kelly is dead in his life, I see you. Because I want him to roll his side so I can roll the 5 on his side. Put it on later. Worldwide Skyhawk, low to the ground, getting down.
I'm going to roll this 5 on JD's Watergate. Worldwide, worldwide, worldwide. I'm going to roll all the 5s on JD's Watergate. I'm going to put it up on JD's Watergate. So 50, New York, I'm gone.
I don't want to go too long. Old Skyhawk in the big trees, I'm pulling it back in the rack. Let this thing cool off just a wee taste, I'm out. What you hear now, though? Hey, Skyhawk, I can't beat Mother Nature, but Lord knows I can.
He don't know what he's waiting on, man. He got no idea what he's waiting on, 50 in the Apple. I'm down.
Hey, Skyhawk, you need to get you a box screen and put on top of this out here.
You gotta get a bigger box to put on me.
Get a box screen. What do you mean, Skyhawk? I'm running on. Yeah, right. All right, I'll catch y'all later, man. I'll put this stuff back in.
Hey, I'm on the Skyhawk talk, man. I'm still putting the video game on JD's Watergate. Oh, the hole in the wall in our Brooklyn, New York shop, a.k.a. the Sound. The Sound King in Brooklyn is clear.
Hey, man, Son waiting on it. He ain't got time to kid on microphone. Tell him Son the sweet thing waiting on it. Worldwide Sky, 125, bye, bye, bye. Bye, 125.
Good night, 125. Good night, 125. Good video game. I'm going to put it up on JD's for you.
Please, back quiet. If you ain't gonna...
Good video game. Good video game. I'm going to put it up on JD's, man. I'm going to put it up on JD's. At 125, sound good. Sound good. Yes, sir. The Sound King in Brooklyn, New York. Me and the stock Mike Beckhat, 980 back out.
Where you gonna put this Watergate at? Hey, 127, right? JD's Watergate. What name am I finding on it? What handle? Who gonna post it? Who posted that JD's? Who gonna post it on JD's Watergate so I can hear the sound and put down?
You can't miss that 127. You can't miss that 127. You cannot miss that 127 that's going to be fighting this gate. Skyhawk, I got to load it on YouTube first, and then it goes up on JD's after it's loaded. And that's the way it's rocking and rolling. The hole in the wall, not Crooklyn, New York shop. Pistol, go bang.
Okay, you said 127. I'll look for it. Hey, 127, you gotta slow down a little bit, man. Take your time. Slow down, Kevin. You ain't in order. Take your time. You ought to be on national radio, Kevin. Take your time and slow down. Take that 127 T-Bird is rocking on.
My apologies, T-Bird. I keep forgetting that we have minds running slow and slow minds out here. I tend to move a little quicker, man. That's what happens when you rock at the shop. All right, you're hole in the wall, not Crooklyn, New York shop, a.k.a. the Sound King. Let me get this video gate off and get it on the tube for y'all. The lowest max of the stock bike is clear.
Hey, T-Bird, he don't know how to talk slow. Hey, T-Bird, I think part of it is he's used to getting keyed on, and the other part just got to do with his plain old personality. Get your name to T-Bird and Skyhawk out. Tell him I don't stop Skyhawk. Man, I'm just trying to tell him that.
You're right, Skyhawk. You're right. You're right.
Well, just slow down a week till you start coming in, man. You ain't got to get in a hurry, man. Like Kevin and short enough, man. You ain't got to be in a hurry. Check it out, Skyhawk. I mean, he's long Great Lakes, I see you. Tell Roger on the T-Bird, what he don't realize, when you saying something important.
Bye, 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 the king.
Hey, T-Bird.